Hey friends, hello and welcome back to Pen and Papers. Today, instead of reviewing a pen, we'll do something else. Uh, this is the pen that I have. It's Airmail Star 171 Jumbo. Yesterday, while cleaning, I accidentally dropped it, and as you can see, the nib got slightly bent. So today, let's try and change the nib of this pen. So to remove the nib, you just have to hold it like this. Don't pull it like this. Hold it like this, press it a bit and then remove it. Okay, so the nib comes off. Now this is a cartridge converter type airmail pen. This has this plastic feed and then there is this place where you can fit it in. This does not have a nib unit. You have to put it like this. You have to align it first. As you can see, I'll try to show you. Yeah, as you can see, there's this slightly flat surface here which you have to align with this flat part of this feed so that it fits perfectly. So let's see. The first thing I'll do before I change the nib, this is a cutter, so I'll slightly broaden the slits of this feed just to increase the flow. You have to do it very carefully. Make sure that you don't overdo it, otherwise the entire feed might not work and you need to replace it probably. So don't do it, overdo it. Just just a couple of slits and it's good to go. As you can see, they're slightly widened. So this is the feed. It is ready now. I have this spare Mohi nib with me that I removed from this pen. This is one of the Mohi's model and it has this ebonite feed. I'll try to fit another nib over here. So let's see if it fits on this feed. Apparently this nib will fit into the pen. Now let's see. This is also a number 6 nib. Let's try to align. I have already aligned the feed and let's see if the feed goes well first. This is the flat part. As I said, you need to align, and once you align, the feed goes in effortlessly. The nib is also going in well and perfect. So now I have replaced the nib. Let's try and dip test it. The ink that I'm going to use is this Diamine Tropical Green. Let's see if it writes. This is a short video. I just wanted to show you how to change the nib. The paper I have here is Cosmo Airlight. Perfect. The pen is AML 71 JT cartridge converter and nib is Mohi Aura's nib is there, number 6 nib, and ink is Diamine Tropical Green. I'll probably eyedrop this pen. Will update you as and when I do it, or probably will review it next. But I just wanted to show you how to change the nib. Now this pen will write as expected. So that's all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. and your comments, suggestions, and queries are always welcome. I'm more than happy to help you, and stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.